our little Paris Tres Jolie journal made inside of a repurposed journal. Stay tuned for the flip through. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I have a flip through of the little Paris Tres Jolie journal, and this one was made inside of a journal. I actually repurposed. I had taken the pages out so I could use them in a variety of projects. I filled it with this journal. There are 76 plus, so there's more than 76 pages, large and small, so some small ones, some regular size throughout. We have a 5-hole pamphlet stitch here with the rainbow colored thread, and it's 2 signatures. So it is a hardcover, and with a collaged cover. We have our little flower maiden on the front. She's from the Paris Tres Jolie digital kit at Dear Julie Julie. We have a piece of the rescued wedding dress here, a white doily. This is washi tape on card that it was a scrap, but it turned out, it looks so cool there. And another little trim scrap and some bling, the flower with the little flower inside, and some more bling. So this is a cloth covered journal, and this is how it came, and then I just collaged the front. So here we go. So let's go inside, and we have a pocket here, and we have a note card, note paper. We have a little note paper here with the Eiffel Tower, and it's held on with this little collage and a fancy little paper clip. And here on this side we have the cute little girl C'est La Vie with some doily. This is the paper that was inside the original journal. And here we have our little flower maiden, and she's a flip up, and there's some more of the little flowers down here. We have this tab. This one is stamped. We have, this is a cigarette card, but this page is part of the Paris Tres Jolie kit. We have some lace here on the edge and a border that is holding a journaling card and a multiplication card. Here's another piece from the digital kit, and it's a little collaged card, and then we've added some dimension there on top, coloring page with lace. And then we have this cute little flat paper clip here. There's paper that is French writing. It's from a newspaper, and then this little mini one of the cigarette cards, and it's holding a journaling card. Stamping down here, we have one of the cards here, a journaling card, a pocket. This is another postcard from the Paris Tres Jolie, the postcard kit. And we have several note papers and a journaling card in here. We've got a ruffled tab, a belly band with an image from the digital kit here, one of the digital postcards here, and a couple of note papers to match. This is an envelope being held on by a fancy paper clip, and it's actually inside the pocket there. Here's the center of the first signature, and what a great skyline with the Eiffel Tower. And this is actually from a postcard, and they put the stamp and the postmark on the postcard on that one. Here we have a pocket using one of the images from the digital kit on a doily. It has this little tab. We have note paper. We have a decorated dress. This is a card from it held trim, and it just looked kind of French. And then we have one of the sticker tags. So we've got lined paper on it, so you can go ahead and write there. And of course you can write or add a picture to the front of it as well. Some more note papers. This one has a little notepad inside of it. This is an actual stamp from this year that, or actually last year, that I had purchased some items from France, and he always uses a French a stamp, which is really cool. So here I have added a couple of lined pages. This was made primarily to be a writing journal. Of course, you could add other things in it, but it's already pretty much right at what you might want, as full as you might want it. But look, there are lots and lots of places to write in this journal, and that was on purpose. This journal was meant to be a writing journal. So then when we did use pockets, we filled it with note papers and tags. So here's a little tag from the Recollections kit, and we have a sticker up there with, oh, that's on the next page. The sticker with her on the bicycle. Ooh la la, some stamping over there. Some more doily. Here's a little set of note papers. The back of the card. Here's the center of the signature. And then we have more of that journaling paper. Another card, doily. This is the noisy paper with the little crown down here and a tab. We have a little ripped pocket full of note papers that you can write on and tell your story. Some more lace here, stamping, another little collage. You've got a playing card, it's a 4 of clubs, and a couple more journaling pieces. This is from the mouse pad right here, the coloring mouse pad. I have a little embellishment that has become a little tuck holding a Project Life card. This is the music page from the digital kit, printed at wallet size. It makes an adorable little journaling card. You have another little page. Lots and lots of places to write in here. We have a decorated guest check. This is a collage on the paper. It's one of the pages from the Pages and Ephemera kit. And this is one of the ephemera pieces from the Pages and Ephemera kit. So here we have a couple more note papers, some French newspaper, flat paper clip with a miniature cigarette card, pages, kit, and some more lace. So this is wallpaper pocket. Down here you've got a journaling card and note card, stickers that just the black really makes this journal pop, I think. So this is the center of the second signature. Here's another one. Excuse me. This postcard is from the Pages and Ephemera kit. It's actually a journaling card. Then we have the collaged page and a paper clip at the top, a small ledger, stamped, lace, collage page from one of the kits, and a flat paper clip and a ruffle tab, and some more note papers. One of those beautiful flat paper clips. So a big fat flat paper clip. So it's holding all that, and it's holding all that. It's on the mouse pad paper. Stamped paper, another belly band. This one has the bottom piece on it so it doesn't fall through, and it has the 2 cards in it. Here we have another one of the postcard pockets, and it's filled with ephemera. or note papers. Lots of places to write in here. So here we've got the flower buckets again. They're holding a little card, note paper, and then this little notepad. She's on her bicycle, bicycling to the edge. We have one of these little teeny tiny Tim Holtz paper clips. Then we have our flower maiden again, holding, or she's a paper clip this time, holding some note paper. And that is the journal. So again, 76 pages, large and small. And it is ready and for sale in my Etsy shop. Oh, we forgot to put these in. Let's add these real quick. So they're just a couple of little hat boxes, and I wanted to use these in here and totally forgot. So there you go. A couple more extra little pages to be able to write on. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this journal, and again, I hope it finds a great home where it will be loved and used. It would also make a great gift. So there you go. Look at it from the side and the back. Yeah. So I think it's a little chunky, but I think it's a nice size. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. I have the playlist for junk journal flip-throughs in the description box down below. Have a great day. Bye. Bye-bye.